Hi guys, you pick up CAT ka exam, you pick up CET ka exam, you pick up any damn exam. One of the most common area which you will find is going to be your arithmetic. For example, I've opened this CAT ka sheet here. In CAT ka paper, 7 question out of 26, this is as per the new paper pattern, are going to be based on arithmetic, which is 27% of paper. And what I want to do is I want to complete this topic, kill this topic this week. See it if I talk about almost 50, 70% of the paper is going to be based on arithmetic. Now, this is pure arithmetic. If I include time and work, time, speed, distance as well, this number can touch 10 question as well, which is almost 40% of the math section. So technically speaking, I can clear the cutoff for IIMs also if I only do arithmetic. Of course, if the arithmetic becomes very tough, I have to look at the other areas as well. So at the starting of the preparation, I want to kill this topic with a marathon. Fine. So I'm going to give you a target of almost 10 hours every day. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया ना हाँ ऐसा ही हूँ मैं 10 hours every day this Saturday Sunday. So this Saturday we are doing percentage profit and loss ratios interest, and Sunday we're doing time and work time speed averages and bond mass. Obviously 1 hour every day. Of course 1 hour is not a big deal यार. 1 hour में कुछ ज़्यादा we can't do that much in 1 hour, but 1 hour is more than sufficient to understand the topic, to get a helicopter view of the topic, and then we can go deep down into every topic. Yeah, for example, to complete percentage, I need 6 hours, 4 hours basics, and 2 hours advance. Same profit loss total 4 hours are needed. Interest 2 hours में हो जाएगा. Time and work 6 hours. Time speed distance 6 hours. Average is for 4 hours. Ratio 6 hours. It will go deep down. This is more of a overview. एक एक घंटे में ज्यादा ओवरव्यू ही कर सकते हैं. So in case you plan to join a program for CAT exam, CET exam, I want you to attend this workshop. This is a paid workshop, it's not a free. You have to join our program to attend this. If you're looking for the free demo lecture, we are keeping a demo lecture today. I'm introducing you to the G strategy, the shortcuts. Today's topic is based on DILR. In logic, I want to introduce you to the G strategy. Okay, so just call us any of the numbers in case you want to join the program, or in case you want to just attend the demo lecture, just call us these numbers. Today, 5 to 6 p.m. is a demo lecture. We're keeping demo lecture 3 times a week. So just call the numbers, even if you're not watching the video today. So today is what? Today is 1st of July. If you're watching this video on 2nd of July or 3rd of July, just call the numbers on any of the dates and they will give you the time and location of the workshop. It'll be online, of course. So they'll give you the link for the workshop in case you want to attend. So आज का target is Jagran on algebra. Yeah, I don't know about the other states, but in North, this is very, very famous. The Jagran. Jagran means all night we are going to pray to God. Yeah. So Mata ji ki bhakti all night. Please do tell me if this happens in other states as well. I'm not aware of, because Maharashtra is very uncommon. You can't see that. Delhi, North, Punjab, Haryana is very, very common. Even Himachal as well. So Jagran, basically, we are going to pray to God all night. So same way, we are going to study arithmetic whole weekend. This whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I want you to invest on arithmetic, because I want to kill this topic. Most important topic. You will not become expert. Please don't try to understand. You will not become expert of this topic. You will understand what kind of questions are coming. You will understand what is the difference between profit and loss percentages. What is the similarity between percentages and ratios? For example, to do averages, I need to know ratios more importantly. To do interest, I need to know percentages more importantly. So all the topics are आपस में interlinked. So in this 8 hours, 4 hours class and then 4 hours का homework. Fine. We'll complete the full syllabus. In case you don't want to join us, no problem. You can follow this topic. This weekend, let's kill the most important topic called arithmetic. Fine. Trust me, you can clear the cutoff only if you do arithmetic. Of course, we'll not do that. We'll do other topics as well. But technically speaking, yes, you can do that. All right. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers and my team will be more than happy to help you out. All right. All the best.